Hey everyone, this is Frank with your Pivot Boss Premium Market Outlook for gold futures for February 5th, 2015. Here's a look at gold in a daily time frame. And right here again, 1282.80 is the key level. That's where bears are defending. Prices were rejected at that level yet again. 4 sessions in a row and price pushed downward. And in the current session, price pulled back into the body of the previous range and was defended again and then got rejected a little bit lower but stayed within range. So we have another inside day that developed. So you can see the current session's range is inside the range from the previous session, and it's a narrow range day. As a matter of fact, today's gold traded less than 65% of average daily range. It's been averaging 24.3 points per day, and on this session only ranged 15.7 points, and that is less than 65% of average daily range. Anytime you have compression that's that narrow, you usually see expansion ahead, in addition to the fact that we have another inside day. So again, we have a very, very clear range that's developing in gold. You can see basically from 1252 up to 1285s or so. We have a very nice range here over the last 5 days, and expansion could indeed be ahead. Again, we saw a failure to hold above the 1300 key level, and then price rolled lower. When price pulled back to value, it was defended by bears, and now they're looking to run the stops through that 1250 LVN and into the next minor HVN below, which is 1210.50. So that's the early idea here, and our primary trade idea is to look for a downside push through 1250 and into 1210 half, but really any expansion out of this inside day should lead to a nice move ahead. And if buyers fail to hold above 1250, the stops will come out. Right now, buyers have been defending 1250s and 1252 for a shot higher, but again, those stops are in jeopardy of being run. And as are the stops here. I mean, if price pushes through 1285 to 1287 and gains acceptance, you're going to run the stops, the upside buy stops of these sellers that have been defending. Same thing for the buyers that have been defending down here. If you see price push through 1250 and there's acceptance below 1250, we could be headed much, much lower very, very quickly. So a very narrow range day here, an inside day that all implies expansion ahead. We're going to continue to watch the boundaries very closely, 1250 and 1285. Now, taking a look at the intraday time frame of gold, you can see here what I mentioned on the intraday time frame in the previous session was that any pullback, either to the previous session's close or to the midpoint, was going to offer a selling opportunity for bears looking to defend. And look at how price came into that zone, and you saw not one, but 2 rejections off that zone, actually 3, right on the money here. And price pushed back lower subsequently. Again, this was just a coiled up day for the most part, and as long as price stays short term below those 1272s, we're likely going to see further downside price activity. Above 1272 opens up a retest of 1282 half and 1285. All right, that's it for now. Let's see how this thing plays out heading into Thursday's trading. Good luck and trade well.